Hi viewers, it's a pleasure meeting you, but I would like all of you to inform all your friends so that they will also watch my program so that they can enjoy preparing different type of food. Now I am going to prepare for you pineapple almond creamy pudding. So that's going to be something different and I hope you will enjoy also. So we will try to make that first. In the sense I am going to make the cake, a small different type of a cake I am going to make. So we will make that cake now. First thing what I am going to do here, please keep watching because the quantities are different to the normal preparation. So I am going to use 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar. Only one egg I am going to use when I start making this. Meanwhile, I will add the egg also. If I add the egg, then it will be easy for us. It will start getting creamy. Now we will reduce this. Flour I have taken 200 grams. A pinch of salt. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Cinnamon also I need about half a teaspoon. Cardamom, that is also about half a teaspoon put. Half a teaspoon each of those. Mix it nicely. Condensed milk. I took about 3 dessert spoons of condensed milk. Mix it nicely. Now this mixture is ready. Now I need almonds. What I have done for these almonds, I put hot water and kept for about 10 minutes and removed the skin and cut into pieces. Slightly roast it and keep it. And a little cashew nuts also we will use. Now I am going to use almond essence. I need a piece of nutmeg also. Can you see? The nutmeg should be nicely grated at that time and used. Now this mixture is a little hard. Take a tray, 6-inch diameter round tray I have taken, either 6-inch diameter round or a square. It could be oil paper, only for the bottom you have to put, and butter it nicely. Now what I am going to do is put the mixture into this. And you know what I am going to do now? I take a small bowl of water. Keep this inside. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. I have to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes in a bowl of water only I am going to bake. Oven should be heated first. Then you put the mixture with the bowl of water. That's how you have to bake and take this cake. After we bake the cake, we will see what we are going to do. Now the cake is baked. We can see what we are going to do. It's baked because I have kept in the bowl of water. It's in white color, not became brown in color. So now we will see what we are going to do now. 2 cups pineapple chopped. 2 dessert spoons of sugar. And we will keep on heat and warm it up. It's called stewing. We have to stew the pineapple pieces. We have to nicely stew it till the water dries up and the sugar melts and that also should get mixed with that. Into that I am going to put 2 dessert spoons of condensed milk. Mix it well. I will take this out. Over this I am going to put about 30 grams of sultanas. Glazed cherries 30 grams I am putting. I will keep a little for small decoration. Mix it nicely. Now what I am going to do is, over this cake I am going to put it on top. Now that is done. I am going to, I'll keep this aside. I have got 2 egg whites here. I am going to beat the 2 egg whites. I need sugar. 1 dessert spoon, 2 dessert spoons, 3 dessert spoons. Keep this aside now. And what I am going to do is, I'll keep a little bit of meringue separately. 2 egg whites beaten, 2 yolks are there. Along with the yolks, I have to use half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons corn flour. Mix and put it into this. 3 dessert spoons of sugar. I have put about 2 to 3 dessert spoons of sugar. Now about 2 dessert spoons of condensed milk again. Lastly you put and mix it with this. Cook till it gets thickened. Mix it nicely. Okay. Can you see that now? Egg whites. Stiffly beaten egg whites along with the sugar. Now I am going to put that into this. One minute. Now I have to scoop it out. The mixture is ready now. I need a little pineapple essence now and a little vanilla essence. Mix it nicely. Pour all this mixture over that pineapple and the fruits. Right, now what I am going to do is, the meringue I kept it. Beaten egg whites, then we put the sugar, beaten, and then we kept that aside, which I am putting on top of it. Now I need the cherries. A little bit of cashew nut sauce, I kept it. Nicely shape it up. Right, now I have to do something else. Give me a little time for it. With a blue torch, I'll just put a little on this so that it will be like, the meringue should get heated a little. Otherwise, I have to keep it in the, where should I keep it? In the oven. So now this pudding is ready. What am I going to do? Keep it in the fridge. And when you want, you serve it. Either today, tomorrow, or anytime. Cooking is an art. So we will meet again next time with another episode. Thank you for watching and bye from me now.